Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, as promised, we are doing a Destash. I have quite a few kits. I'm going to go through them pretty quickly. I will have a link in the description below to a Google sheet showing you every kit that I am listing for sale and the price. Now, the price will be lower than what I plan to put them on eBay for. On eBay, they're going to be close to retail because these are all brand new and not opened. So you want to grab them in the Destash and not wait until I throw them up on eBay. Did I say YouTube? Well, I don't know. eBay. So any that don't sell by Monday of next week, I plan to throw up on eBay. So I'll update the description once that happens. You will need to pay for shipping, of course. I will do my best to make it as cheap as possible, most likely shipping with UPS because of the size. So let's get started. Okay, first we have a kit that will come in the telescopic tube. Now this is a craftably one called Long Live Magic. It's a Jody Bergsma painting. Then we have a Distracted by Diamonds kit. It's square, and I don't know the name of this one. I'm gonna have to look that up on my purchase history. Then we have a square Diamond Art Club kit. This is Ariel Angel. It's a Sarah Richter. Alright, then we have another square. This is Cinderella, and it is also Diamond Art Club. This is a round. It's Firefly by Sarah Mustafa. Same artist, a round, and this is Alice. Another Diamond Art Club. This is Ivy Dolomar's Away From It All. And then we have Ivy Dolomar's Moon Thief, and this is a round. Then also from Distracted by Diamonds, this square mermaid kit. From Distracted by Diamonds, we have, it's called, what is it? Spring Comes Softly? So this is a round kit. She makes adorable kits, I just never get to them. Okay, from Diamond Art Club, this is Mermaid Princess. It is a round kit. And then we have from Diamond Art Club, Wicked Black Tea. This is square. And then Diamond Art Club, a round one here. This is for Star. And last but not least, this is Diamond Art Club as well. It is Aries, and it is a square. Now, most important thing to remember for all of these destashed kits is you need to email the email below. First come, first serve. So I'll go in order of emails received, and then whatever paintings you have selected from the sheet, that's what I will use. And then preferably I'd like to get paid via Venmo. It's easier, and then no fees because PayPal charges an arm and a leg. So if you have Venmo, that's great. If you have PayPal, then we can do PayPal, but we'll pick a price once we see how many kits are still available, and then I'll let you know the shipping. And then you do have 24 hours to pay it. If not, I'm going to move to the next person in the next email because last time it kind of kept stalling out. So I need it to move a little bit faster. So keep that in mind. First come, first serve. So first person to email, and then you have 24 hours, and then I move on to the next. So I hope you guys enjoy snagging these for cheaper. And then, like I said, whatever hasn't sold by Monday, I will be throwing up on eBay. So until next time, take care. Bye now.